Good morning. This is Tony from Dardontech. Today I'm going to show you how to operate the DA-66T, the system from DELEM. Okay, actually the operation of this system is basically very similar with the DA-53. Okay, so the first step we have to input the password of the system. Okay, 25. Okay, now we can see this lock is open. Okay, it's green now. And the first step, of course, is the machine setting. The machine here, and we have to select the tools, the punch and the bottom dies. Okay, for example, here is the punch. We give an ID, for example, metal. Okay, accept. Okay, we have to input the parameters according to the tools information. After, okay, accept, and we can see that the tools already set, and you can modify the tools, the parameters according to the drawing from the tool supplier. Now it's become a red point in the joint point. Okay, and now we can make it almost like this. More for easier. Okay, now we click here. Okay, now we have the parameter here, and we can click the numbers here. We can change the length. For example, we need 20. Okay, it becomes 20. Okay, when we finish all the tools and we save it, and we do the same like the die and like the 53T system. We modify the parameters, the height, the width. Okay, and also here, and all these we can modify. Okay. Okay, after set up the punch and die, we going to make the programming. Okay, so click here the products. Okay, and new products, and we give ID, for example, metal. Okay, set material thickness 1 millimeter, material steel. Okay, and here we can modify 200, 300. Okay, select the 200. Okay, and everything okay here. Accept. Okay, we're going to make the drawing. Okay, here is very easy. Okay, see, we select the end. Here is the red point. We select the direction here. Okay, double click, modify, double click, modify, and double click, double click. Okay, okay, we can see. And the next step, set up. Here we selected 1, 2, 3. Here we selected 3, and we can also select another, but here we using V10. Okay, next step, we check the bending process. Okay, here is the unbend and bend. We unbend. We can see here. Okay. And okay, you can see the details here, and we can also go here. This is the 2D display, and here we can check from any angle. Okay, we can bend it. Okay, check. Okay, see. Okay. Next step, we can make the program. Okay, now the here is some parameters. We can do the same process with the DA-53T system to make the alignment here. Okay, but first we go to the auto. Okay, and we can start the machine, and we click here. See, the machine is back to the reference point. Okay, now you can enjoy the bending, and if there are any, for example, you need to make the corrections of the cylinders or the back stage or something else, you can make the correction here, and according to the actual bending, you modify the parameters here. Also, you can make the correction here. Okay, this is the basic operation of the DELEM DA-66T system. Okay.
네.
소토록이 왜 이러?